myself Rinku Tiwari from Yash Convent Senior Secondary School. In our previous video, I have already explained you about sentence. Today, we are going to learn the parts of the sentence. Okay? A sentence can be divided into two parts. Let's see what are the two parts. Number one is subject. And another part is predicate. Okay? Now let's understand what is subject. A subject, the part showing the name of person, thing about we are speaking. Okay? The part showing about the name of person or thing we speak about. Okay? And what is predicate? A predicate is the part telling something about subject. Okay? One more thing is to be remembered. Predicate contains the predicate contains verb. The predicate contains the verb. Okay? Now, let us understand it properly. So, with the help of example, we will understand it. Okay? Ramesh. Ramesh is reading a magazine. Okay? In this sentence, Ramesh, the word Ramesh is a subject because this part of the sentence tells us about the person we are talking, and is reading a magazine. This part of the sentence is the predicate because this part of the sentence is telling us about the subject. Okay? Let us take another example. Stool has 4 legs. Now tell me which is subject? Stool, and object is has 4 legs. Okay? One more example. Let us take one more example. The magician performed many tricks. In this sentence, the magician is a subject, performed many tricks is the object. Okay? Now, let us we do exercise. In this exercise, what we have to do? We have to circle the subject and underline the predicate. Okay. Now let's start. Rajan is sitting under a tree. Okay. Now find out which is subject in this sentence. Subject is Rajan. So we will circle Rajan as this is subject. What is this? This is subject. And is sitting under a tree. This part of the sentence is a predicate. Let's take one more example. The sky is blue. The sky is blue. Here the sky is subject and is blue is a predicate. Number 3, the cloud. The clouds are big and white. Okay. In this subject, which one is in this sentence, which one is subject? The cloud. The cloud is a subject. Are big and white. This part is predicate. This is subject and this is predicate. Okay. Now let's take one more example. An aeroplane. An aeroplane is flying in the sky. Now in this sentence, which is subject, which part of this sentence is subject? An aeroplane. This part is a subject, and remember always subjects comes in beginning of the sentence. So an aeroplane is a subject, is flying in the sky, it's a predicate. Let's take one more last example. The grass. The grass is soft and green. The grass is soft and green. Okay. Here the grass is a subject, is soft and green. This part of the sentence is a predicate. Okay students, hope you all understood subject and predicate in this video. Now let's recall all these. First, what we had learned, the parts of the sentence. Number 1 is subject. What is subject? The part showing about the name of a person or thing we are speaking about. And what is predicate? The predicate is the part that is telling about the subject. Now Ramesh is reading a magazine. Here Ramesh is subject, is reading a magazine. Stool has 4 legs. Stool is subject, has 4 is legs. has 4 legs is a predicate. The magician perform many tricks. The magician is a subject. Perform many tricks is a predicate. Now we had done exercise. In this exercise we have to circle the subject and underline the predicate. So with the help of these exercise I tried to explain you what is subject, what is predicate. Hope you all understood it in a clear way. Thank you. Have a nice day. In our next video we will talk about more about the subject. Thank you.